Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to remove gap or space between nested container or column in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our inner container or column. Now you see container within container, and you see some gap. You see background color, 3-column layout. So we are going to remove gap. Now you see this is our main container, this is our nested container, and this is our also nested container, and then we are using 3-column layout. Now select this container which has 3-column layout. On left side you see layout style advanced. So we are going to remove gap, and then in container scroll down, you see gap for desktop or mobile or portrait, 20 column 20 row. If you want, you can add value according to requirement. Now make it 0, and then you see gap remove between inner container or column in Elementor WordPress. So we added value of 0. So this is our nested container. If you want, you can add value according to requirement, and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.